Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Pravindure from DIJS University, and today's video is going to be about why you shouldn't use Instapage to build your affiliate page. So do hit the subscribe button as well as the like button and the bell notification so that we can keep producing content like this in daily basis, guys. So keep supporting and let's go. Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use Instapage for your affiliate pages, guys. So first thing, let's talk about Instapage. Instapage is very famous, guys. If you're talking about landing page builder, one of the top landing page builders, which is very common, Instapage should be in that list, definitely. It's very famous. It's very popular for building leads, for building conversion, for improving your conversion, for improving your leads. That's why a lot of people actually use Instapage as well. Not only that, Instapage has a lot of other features other than its original core web building, or what we call as landing page builder. That's the main focus, guys. That's what I like about Instapage, because they focus mainly on their landing page builder, and then they do have additional features as well, which is pretty interesting and pretty nice. That's how you should actually do it, rather than doing a whole CRM like Katra, something which I don't prefer. I won't say it's bad, but I won't prefer it. Builder all fails in that badly, so something like that. Or you should definitely focus on something like Instapage or ClickFunnels, where you have a very easy to use drag and drop builder, and then you just focus on that, and then you have additional features as well. And that's the part that Instapage does good. And definitely I'm not gonna talk about what Instapage does better, does good, what makes Instapage stands out, because there's a lot of videos on how Instapage stands out, but there's not a lot of videos on how Instapage doesn't stand out. And that's what we're going to do in today's video, and we are going to be very specific on Instapage builder for affiliate page, guys. So let's get started. So the first reason on why Instapage is not suitable for affiliate page, it's because of its bad integration. This is actually a very huge problem with Instapage, where their webhook integrations, their normal integrations are very bad. It's really bad. And I've also read previously, when I was using Instapage, I used to test all these web builders. So previously when I was using Instapage, I was reading a case scenario where one person actually claimed that he lost more than $2,000 because of Instapage bad integration. That's a lot of money, guys, especially if you're a startup, you're a starting affiliate marketer. That's a lot of money. And imagine if for general purposes and they have bad integration. What if you want to go much more specific purposes, like for affiliates? Definitely the bad integration will affect us, right? And this is one of the main reasons why how do I say, the reason why Instapage became infamous as well, because Instapage was there for quite some time. It's very famous, but there's few reasons why it's infamous as well. And one of the reasons, it's because of its bad integration. So the second reason is mobile unfriendliness. So nowadays, if you run ads, if you're a media buyer, you're an affiliate marketer, you should know that mobile is the gold. I mean, people are using desktop. I'm not saying people are not using desktop, but 90% of the traffic use mobile to search, to purchase, to do, to see ads and all this kind of stuff. And that's why a lot of people are doing ads targeting mobile devices, like Facebook ads, Insta ads, Snapchat, whatsoever, guys. They target mobile devices because they don't like I won't say don't like, the different approach towards desktop would be really different. And definitely mobile is like the future, and mobile is, it's happening right now, and mobile is the future. So whenever you do a landing page, your landing page must be mobile friendly, and Instapage is very bad at this. When you do a landing page, all the alignments will be haywire in mobile device, and then the best part is you will not know the reason why it went haywire. You'll be like, hey, what happened? When I switch to my desktop view, everything is okay. But when I switch to my mobile view, everything goes haywire, which doesn't even make sense. Sometimes I've seen personally where it goes out of alignment that you can't even predict. You will be like, what the hell is happening? Why is it even there? It doesn't even make sense. And that's how bad Instapage mobile unfriendliness can be. That's one of the reasons. So the next reason is because of its price. Instapage is actually how do I say, they, I don't know whether how they target their market, but I'm pretty sure that they are not targeting beginner affiliate marketers. They are not targeting beginner whatever product users or beginner startups. They are not targeting all this. You know what's the reason? Because their pricing starts from 149, which is crazy, which is really expensive if you compare to ClickFunnels, if you compare to other whatever builders. I think Instapage pricing is actually quite expensive, but they did survive with this particular model for quite some time, and I believe that it's because of the branding that they have initially done with their Instapage brand, and that's why they actually managed to survive with this pricing tag. If not, they will not be existing in the market already because the price is like very expensive. So imagine, I'm not an iPhone lover, so imagine you're using an Android which costs like $1,000 or $1,500, and sorry, $1,000, and less than $1,000, and an iPhone which costs like $5,000, for example. Let's say, I know it's not logic, so let's say $1,500, but then the features are almost similar, and that's how you compare Instapage. It's very bad when it comes to its pricing. And talking about pricing, the next thing that I want to touch is plans. Instapage has only one pricing plan. I would say two. One is actually the general pricing plan, and the second one would be the customization, where you go ahead and ask them to code, especially, okay, I have these particular features that I want, I have these needs that I want, quote me this price. So when you go to their planning section, they only have two section. One is 149, and one more is customization, and that's like crazy. I've never seen a builder that has only such a limited option when it comes to their plans and pricing, which is very bad. You're not giving your customer any option. Basically, everybody has to go ahead and opt in into the 149, unless they want to do something bigger, then they go to the customization one, but the minimum would be 149. There's no like a starter kit, there's no like a starter package, smaller package, which is very bad. You're limiting the options for your particular target audience or your particular user, and that's something which a company should not do. As a good company, what they should do is they should give the choices option. They should let the customer have variety of choices that they can actually choose with, and from there they can actually integrate with the customer, they can actually communicate with the customer, they can do upselling and all this kind of stuff they can do. But then they need to have a basic plan as well. You can't just go ahead and do everything without a basic plan, which is very bad. And that one of the baddest thing I don't like about Insta page is that they like force the customers to go and choose that particular plan, which is very bad. And talking to customers, right, they have the worst customer support in all the builders, because first thing is you can have a bad customer support, that's another thing. But then if your bad customer support is linked to taking money from customer without their consent, is very bad. For example, one of the major scenarios which Instapage is very famous is for when they have this trial, and then they say there's a 24 hours return policy. They do not apply that at all. And also another scenario is that when once you have actually submitted for the trial, and then you go ahead and cancel the trial before the trial ends, they will still charge you. This is a lot of issues faced by many customers for Instapage. They still charge the Instapage customer, and then you have to go ahead and ask for refunding back. So all these guys. So Instapage has this, Instapage has that, Instapage has this. So what should I use, guys? I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm a beginner affiliate marketer. I want to go ahead on my affiliate marketing journey, or I'm also a pro super affiliate. I want to go ahead and use a landing page builder for my affiliate page. What should I use? I would highly recommend you to use a brand new software called the LANDERIZE, guys. I have actually put the link of LANDERIZE in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check it out if you like. What I like about LANDERIZE is that it's actually uploaded in Amazon as free. When you upload something in Amazon as free, it makes your landing page to load super fast. And you as an affiliate marketer, you should know how important is the speed of your loading. Your landing page loading speed is very important. And that's why I personally like LANDERIZE a lot. You can actually go ahead and integrate LANDERIZE with trackers. You still use the same concept of other landing page builder, which is the drag and drop, and you can just go into LANDERIZE and build your landing page within 5 minutes. It's simplified, so easy, and you can actually build your landing page that fast, guys. 5 minutes. And I think they have like 50 templates already. I think they will be increasing the template. I hope they make it at least 100 plus very soon. I really want that to happen as well. And the best part why I like LANDERIZE is because LANDERIZE was built specifically for affiliate marketers. I assume most of y'all who are watching this video would be affiliate marketers or people who are interested in joining the affiliate marketing, starting an affiliate marketing journey. So this particular LANDERIZE is a landing page builder built specially for affiliate marketers. It means their target market is affiliate marketers, and it's built by an affiliate as well. So I am an affiliate, and if I build a landing page, definitely I know what problem affiliates usually face, right? So I will definitely do a landing page for catering that particular problem, specifically catering for affiliate marketers. And that's exactly what LANDERIZE is. It caters specifically for the affiliate marketers, and that's one of the best reasons why I love LANDERIZE. Like I told you just now itself, the link is in the description of this video. If you want to go ahead and test it out, just go ahead and click on the link, and it will lead you to the landing page, LANDERIZE homepage. Then you can go ahead and register yourself into the LANDERIZE. So guys, I think we have reached to the end of today's video. So please support us by hitting the subscribe button, like button, and bell notification so that we can keep producing good content like this. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.